Good morning, everyone. My name is Bharanidharan Vishwanathan. I'm the co-founder of Anthya Web Private Limited. Along with me, we have our co-founder Sunny Saurabh sitting over there. So we are here to present our product Anthya. Anthya is a Sanskrit word. It means what exists in the end. So if I had to define Anthya in 2 lines, it would be like Anthya is a simplified search engine which helps internet user to discover websites of brands and businesses. So if you take a look at the current situation, like what are the ways through which you find websites in internet? There are 3 main mediums. One is search engine, other is online directories, and third is discovery engines like StumbleUpon. But each of these approach have their own weaknesses. If you take a look at search engines, they suffer from gamers, from advertisers, a lot of spam sites, a lot of SEO sites, inappropriate results coming on top 10 in Google, Yahoo, MSN Live, major search engines. If you take a look at online directories, they are all humanly compiled, high quality websites. The problem with that is they are very obsolete, takes time to accommodate new sites, and they follow a hierarchical category structure. So you cannot fit a website for multiple categories. If you take a look at the discovery engines like StumbleUpon, they lack the search perspective. They enable you to discover websites based on interest, but it doesn't provide you the search perspective. So what Anthya is trying to do is combine all these missing aspects in these 3 means and provide a comprehensive solution. So let's take a look at Anthya in action. So the homepage is pretty simple with the search box on top. So let's try and have a look at the results. Let me try airlines as a query. So what's happening here is airlines is a very broad query. What it is trying to do is it's trying to disambiguate your user intention by asking whether it's low-cost airlines or domestic airlines or regional airlines. So when I'm clicking low-cost airlines, so it will immediately show me all the low-cost airlines in India, like Indigo Airlines, Air Deccan, Jackson, Air Sahara, all these things. So let's take another example. Let us try and figure out how many local search engines are in India. So I'm going to give in a query called local search. So it immediately displays me that around 29 local search engines are available in India, and it clearly displays all these things with the logo, a very neatly written description, and also it allows you to rate or share your comment or share with your friends also. So what we have tried to innovate here is we have provided something called Anthya View. Anthya View is trying to solve a small pain point, like people don't like to scroll often. They want to see everything in one page. So it neatly folds all the icons within one page, and you can browse over any icons, whichever is of interest to you. You can click and view more details. Let us try and see other feature of Anthya. I'm going to try and search for Tare Zameen Par, or TZP normally called as. So it clearly shows Tare Zameen Par as a website, and also it shows a link where you can directly book the tickets, movie tickets, for the movie Tare Zameen Par. So there is something called View My Details. When you click the View My Details, this page requires some explanation. This is on-the-fly generated page. In the sense, the top portion is from Anthya. What are the contact pages and what is the booking link? Also, it shows the comments from the users. If you go down, it will pick information from the best of the web. What is the Google's first link? What is the Wikipedia link for Tare Zameen Par? What is the recent blog item? What is the recent news item? On the right hand side, it also shows images of Tare Zameen Par and videos of Tare Zameen Par. So this page is highly dynamic in nature and is very relevant too. Sure. So I think I should move on to the next aspect of Anthya, monetization. Since Anthya is falling into the search product or discovery product, it has high level of stickiness. So advertising will be the main source of revenue. What we are trying to do is we are trying to bring in some information, even in innovation, even in the ways we monetize the ads, which we cannot disclose now. Secondly, we are also trying to connect the offline businesses which want to come online and the internet audience, the website development companies who would be able to develop websites for that companies. So we are going to bring in a model called Anthya for Business, which will be a business module where website owners can advertise, add their own websites, create their own websites, etc., etc. We are here at Proto for 3 specific items. We want to look at talent acquisition. So we are looking for fresh hires who are willing to spend their time and learn new things and contribute for Anthya. Secondly, we are also looking for channel partners with whom we can collaborate and partner. Thirdly, we are also looking for significant level of funding because Anthya requires large scale up to go forward. Because we want to go for multiple countries, we would be launching in Anthya UK, Anthya US versions. Also within India, we would be launching regional versions. So it requires a lot of scaling up. That's it about Anthya. Thank you.